Almost done here.
It looks lovely, dear.
Look, Grandma, big hole.
Wonderful, my dear.
This is so peaceful.
Yes, the fresh air is wonderful.
I feel so calm. Me too.
It's perfect.
Looking good, son.
I'm trying, Dad.
You both are doing great. Lemonade's ready when you are. Fresh pie, anyone?
It looks wonderful, dear.
Whisper, whisper.
Calm, relax. Just a little more cleaning here.
This door frame is looking good.
Can I help, Mommy? It's sunny outside.
Is this where it goes?
Yes, thank you, dear.
Looks good over there.
Such a lovely day.
Can I help?
Of course.
Wow, Dad, it's looking great. I want to paint too.
You can help me plant flowers later.
Great job, everyone. All right, let's get these flowers painted.
I'll hold the ladder steady.
I'm ready to paint.
What a lovely day.
The seedlings are growing so well.
You've taken great care of them.
Can we plant them soon?
Of course, dear.
What a beautiful day.
It's perfect for a walk.
Look at the flowers and the birds.
So lovely.
All right, let's get this clean.
Okay, here we
I
go.
want to help. It's splashing.
What a lovely day.
Perfect.
All done, kids?
Almost. They're doing great.
I'm all clean, Daddy.
Great job. High five.
Here you are, Grandma. Oh, thank you, dear.
Can I have some bread?
Of course, sweetie.
This is great.
What a lovely evening.
It is so peaceful.
The flowers are pretty. So to love them.
Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.
Good night, dear.
Good night.
Rest well, all of you.